Hey guys, what's going on? This is Jet Phynx from Jet Phynx Films, and today I'm doing a review on the new Sony Extra Bass XB30. Extra bass in your face. When I started out, I was buying like real cheap speakers on the set because I really didn't know. I was getting speakers from like Five Below. They worked alright, but when you're in loud conditions or you never know what kind of condition that you're going to be in weather-wise, you want to have something more durable and something that's loud and where you can feel the vibration of the bass. So that's why I invested in the Sony Extra Bass. After, going through a gang of, $5 speaker boxes and shit like that, I decided to upgrade my shit to the pill. The pill is nice. One reason why I love the pill is because I'm a big Apple fan. I love Apple products. That's just my guy, Steve Jobs, rest in peace. But one thing I love about the pill is that I was able to hook my phone in. Say my phone was dying and I was filming too much, we're on set, so we're always filming BTFs, and my phone battery life is running heavy fast. Well, I could easily plug my phone into my pill. If my pill's fully charged, and it would charge my phone, which is super dope and super lit. Can't beat that. The only thing I'd say, the pill's like more luxury. It's nice. It has like a 12-hour battery life, which is super lit. It lasts for a pretty long time. It's got built-in speakers, but the thing is, it's not really rugged. It's not water resistant. Like if somebody drops water on this, you want to have something that can stand the rain. And not to say the Sony is the most rugged speaker out there, but hey, this is just my opinion and just what I like for me, for my set, and what I've been through and through my experience. So please do not eat me up in the comments about this is not the dopest speaker, this shit sucks, whatever. I don't know. Listen, I haven't had too many reviews and I haven't really dabbled enough in the wireless speaker world. So for me, it's all about what I like. And I love the new Sony Extra Bass. Shout out to Sony. This is being also filmed on a Sony A7S II. Shout out to Sony. Cut the boy a check. But to get back on the speaker, alright, let's run down some of the dope features about this thing. It's water resistant. So water hits it, bang, it's whatever. When you turn it on, has this cool light up system that goes around, which is pretty dope, setting some vibes, cool vibes, especially at night if you're chilling. You got that cool light so you can actually see the speaker, which one thing I didn't like about the pill, because it was so black and I couldn't, sometimes people would step on it because they actually didn't see it because it was so dark. And it's got the extra bass button. If you want to hear some extra bass, all you got to do is hit this button right here and you'll get that full sound of all three front speakers and back speakers with this big bass box in the back. Yeah, it's pretty dope, man. And one thing I love about this, you can do left or right speakers. You can have a certain vibe. If you only want to play just these speakers over here, you can do that. It's pretty dope, man. I love it. It's worked out pretty good for me on set. Another dope thing about it, it's got a 24-hour battery life. 24 hours. Tell me that's crazy. It lasts for 24 hours. So if I charge this up for 4 hours, this bitch is gonna last. Sorry for my language. I cuss on here. So parents, sorry. If you're kids, I say fuck. Sorry. But like I said, it has a 24-hour battery life, which is dope. You on set, you're there all day, and you need that thing to run. This is the guy. This is definitely the guy. It's pretty dope, man. I love it. It's also compatible with iPhone, which I love iPhone, so you can connect your Bluetooth. Really easy connection. I bought a cord just in case. Sometimes, you're on set and you might not have the record on my phone, and I might need it to be played on somebody else's phone, and sometimes I don't feel like going through the Bluetooth, which is super fast. Don't get it twisted, but sometimes I just like to take the wire and plug it quickly right in, which is pretty dope. They have this little back panel right here that's how you can stick in there. Yeah, pretty dope. Yeah, pretty dope, man. Love it. Sony extra bass. Yeah, Sony's pretty dope, man. I love it. It's a good buy. I'd say it's worth buying. I think you should try this out. Yeah, there is a link in the description box below, so you can click to it and purchase your Sony extra bass. And yeah, it's pretty lit, man. So click that link, buy one. I think they're about $100. Not too bad. Good price point for how much this thing packs a punch. Really worth it. So yeah, Sony extra bass. If you like what you've seen today and you like what you heard, and I don't sound too stupid, and I'm getting straight to the point, keep subscribing to my YouTube channel. We're gonna have more videos, more reviews, more tutorials, more tips, and I'm gonna take you into my world. Yeah, so subscribe to Jet Phynx and follow my Instagram at Jet Phynx, JETPHYNX, for all the latest photos and BTFs and my stories. So yeah, it's Jet Phynx from Jet Phynx Films, and this is my review on Sony Extra. Bye.